So guys, now we are replacing this door lock actuator for Nissan Sentra 2017 2.0 liter, no 1.8 liter. So we need to replace this one because there's, when we open the door handle, the whole door handle in the outside, it will not open. So because the latch was already broken, so we need to replace this one, guys. This video. So let's go, guys. Just continue. First we need to remove this one first. So in removing this one, guys, just post this one. There are three. Okay, see guys, we already remove it. Then the next thing is we need to remove this also. We need to remove this. We need to remove this wiring. We need to remove this wiring, guys. Okay, we remove already. We put it here. So there are 10mm screw here. So we need to remove that one. We use this impact. So after that, so that's the only thing, guys, to remove the screw. Then we need to get this trim, door trim remover. You always start in the bottom portion. So now we already removed this door trim. See this one, we need to put it this. So we need to remove one also. So we need to remove this one first, guys. So it's hard to remove. So remove the so now we need to remove this case. So you already remove, guys. This is the problem. This was cut because of, I think, it's overused already. So now we need to remove this one also, so that this is the side of the thing like that. So it's something like that. So before to remove this one, I want to remove first the handle, because where that's other this one was connected to the handle. This is the one was broken. So it's something like this one, guys, like that, and this one is like that. So I need to remove the handle first. Yeah, I need to remove the handle first. Work. It won't work. So we need so using this one, guys, there's a hole, so we need to use these tools. I think T25, I think this one. So we just loosen it, and using this picker, so you need to backward so that the bolt will not hit in this one, then it can remove easily the handle. So this is the handle, guys. Why I need to remove the handle, guys? Because I need to remove this one. When you remove the handles, you can easily remove this one. So now that's why I'm removing the handle, because I need to connect this one, guys. I need to connect this one just like that. I need to connect it here, where I can cover up here. So it's something like so. Yeah, I need to connect it here. See this one? So I need to connect it like that. So first, I need to remove this one. I need to remove this another door handle, inside door handle. So using this one, I need to get this. You need to get this one, guys. Be careful. So the lower one, I think it will not mislead because they are different. They are different in. So that's good. So need to remove that one and that one. So that's all, guys. So already removed. Already removed the old one. We connect these two and we return the handle. So we connect this like that, then put it like here. And we connect the other one. So how we connect it? So it's something like that. Then okay, that's all guys. So yeah, it's connected already. Now before I connect this one, I think I need to put back this, because I know it's something like that. It will, or something like that, something like that. So the installation is like that. So now we return it back this. There are three. Just you see this one. So just put it in the square, then pause a little bit. Okay, that's good. And where's the screw of that? I think this one. There's screw of that. Yeah, that's it guys. That's it. So now this one guy, there's no wire, there's no hook like this, so we need to use this one. We need to remove this one to put it here. Okay. How to remove this one guys? I always use this speaker. See this one, do like that, do the speaker like that, then we need turn, so it's easy. So same procedure here, same procedure, just turn like that, then lock it. So that's it guys. So now I am returning this. So I'm returning like that. Nice. This one is better. Yeah, because this one I think we can go like this. It's over like that. So now we return back the T25 screw. We use the T25. I think we need to put first the wiring, I think, the cable wire. So I think we can leave it like that guys. We need to put this one first. So it's the position of this is like this guys. The position is like this. So on cable, where is the cable? So we need to put like that. So we need to put like this. Where's the cable? So guys, we are returning the handle. This one. Turning the handles first. Now we return the handle side, guys. So if we return the handle, we need to use this T25 to tighten it. So after installing the handles, we need to connect this one first. It's easy to put this one here first before you need to put it inside. Okay, that's it.
tunay na DDS, hindi po naiinsulto. Ang mga tunay na DDS, yung matagal ng DDS, hindi naiinsulto. Possibly yung mga bagong convert. Possibly. Alam mo kung bakit? Gawa kayo ng sarili. Ang problema kasi sa inyo, ulitin ko, nakikisaw-saw kayo sa eksena ng iba. Eh, tiyapwera kayo dyan eh. Eh, hindi sumusunod doon sa gusto ninyong pinapalabas. Ito, init ang init eh. Alam mo lagi nitong sinasabi? Ang pag-asa talaga ng Marcos, bago mag-eleksyon, actually, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter of this year, dapat nahuhuli na si Duterte ng ICC. Kasi pag hindi nahuli ng ICC ang Duterte, lalakas yan. At wala na magagawa si Marcos. Ano ang kita niyong pangulit-ulit na sinasabi niya? In my opinion, yan po ay mind condition. Yan po ay inuuto si Marcos na pangulit. Hindi mo pinapakbakan. Hindi ang tunay ang sila. Kaya, yun yung nakakagalit hindi lang yung presidente, hindi lang si Digong, ang pinaka-may speaker nila sa dating Pangulong, Digong Duterte, ay bigla umambiyo at kalma. Lalo ko rin at parang mas matindi yung personality niya. Sinabi niya na wala daw siyang sinabi na mga akusasyon tulad na libertad at kay Pangulong. Kaya dahil ang observation, monitoring, opinion sa mga nangyari, hirap nilang ito nagkakapusos. Tinatawanan nga na namin. Di ba? Tawa kami ng tawa. Kaya nagkakabulbul. Relax lang, Brad. Doon ka nung tanggol eh. Kung paano nila ipagtanggol ang pangalimanin sa movement na magbabago at hindi ko Duterte at hindi sa lahat. Hindi ko sila nakakontento o hindi sila tanong marami ay bulag! Yan ang sinasabi ko sa iyo, Brad. Ito, may active fake news ka dyan. Fake news, abe. Hindi ganun karami. Ganun tanong ka. Di mo ba nakita yung top view? Hindi lang marami. Sabi, dati kang broadcaster. Huwag kang bababa sa level ng tambayong ng vlogger. Huwag kang bababa doon. Huwag kang mag-create ng fake news para ka nakasima na ang politiko hindi mo kayang tapatan. Wag. Hayaan mo na yun sa mga tambayong ng vloggers. Kasi yung mga yun, hindi taon lulubog. Mga next month, wala na yun. Tapos, next month, babalik ulit. Ganun eh. Huwag ka lang. Kasi, establish ka na, Brad. Huwag mong gayahin yung mga yun.
So,
Hindi ikaw pabago-bago ng channel gaya ng iba. Broadcaster ka, Brad.
so guys, everything was done for the door lock actuator replacement. So everything is working. So that's it. So this is the one that we replaced. Why we replace this one? You see this one, guys, is already cut. Maybe it's over, maybe it's over the quickly push the handle, and it will broken. So that's the reason, because we cannot buy the cable like this. We cannot buy anything for this kind of thing. So if we buy, we need to order the whole piece. This is the door actuator. So now I return back to the owner, I think, because maybe they can use this one for some other reason. because every